In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively log into your Wayfair affiliate program dashboard and maximize your marketing efforts through link generation. Whether you're a seasoned affiliate marketer or someone just getting started, knowing how to create and share affiliate links is key to driving traffic and earning commissions. So, let's walk through this process step by step. First, you want to begin by logging into your Wayfair affiliate program dashboard. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Wayfair affiliate program website. Once there, enter your login credentials, that's your username and password, to access your personalized dashboard. If you have trouble remembering your password, most sites will have a forgot password option right under the login panel. Use that for assistance in resetting your password to gain access. Once you're in, you should look for the section titled Link Generation, or sometimes referred to as Marketing Tools. This is a crucial area within the affiliate platform as it houses the tools you need to generate effective promotional links. Browsing through this section, you'll find various options and features that can assist you in creating compelling marketing materials to suit your audience. In the next step, you'll want to search for products or categories that you're interested in promoting. Think about your target audience and choose items that align with their needs and interests. Use the search functionalities to explore different products or product categories relevant to your website, blog, or social media profile. This is your moment to select items that not only resonate with your audience but also have a high conversion potential. Once you've zeroed in on the products or categories that you want to promote, it's time to generate your unique affiliate links. This is a critical step. Using the marketing tools provided, select the chosen products or categories and generate your custom link. This unique URL will enable Wayfair to track any traffic and subsequent sales you direct to their site, ensuring you receive the appropriate credit and commission for your marketing efforts. After generating these links, the next crucial task is to copy them accurately. Ensure there are no missing letters or broken links, as this might affect the tracking and effectiveness of your marketing efforts. Once copied, you are ready to paste and share these links on your desired platforms. Whether it is your own website, a blog post, or across your social media channels where you have an active audience, placing them strategically can significantly enhance visibility and engagement with the products you are promoting. And that's it. Following these steps will help you seamlessly integrate affiliate links into your chosen channels, maximizing your potential to elevate traffic and conversions. Stay consistent with promoting quality and relevant products and keep reviewing your analytics to refine your strategy for better results. Thank you for joining me today and happy promoting!